Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring a fascinating topic that's capturing global attention: longevity, the science of living longer and living better. It's not just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. So, what if I told you that simple choices, the foods you eat, the supplements you take, and the habits you build, could actually extend your lifespan and reduce aging from inside? Stick with me till the end, because today we'll cover the best longevity foods, top science-backed supplements, and daily habits that truly make a difference. What does longevity really mean? Let's start with what longevity actually means. It's not just about avoiding death. It's about staying vibrant, energetic, and disease-free for as long as possible. Modern science shows that your biological age, how your body feels and functions, can be much younger than your actual age, if you live right. And that's where nutrition and supplements come in. They can help your cells repair, fight inflammation, and delay aging. Top longevity foods. Now let's talk about foods that boost longevity. These are the same foods found in blue zones, places in the world where people often live past 100. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that reduce inflammation and keep cells young. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with polyphenols, compounds that protect your brain and heart. 3. Olive oil. Pure extra virgin olive oil is one of the strongest anti-aging fats. It supports heart health and reduces oxidative stress. 4. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, essential for cell repair and hormone balance. 5. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and support brain and heart health. 6. Green tea loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants that support longevity, metabolism, and even cancer protection. 7. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut help gut bacteria thrive, and your gut is directly linked to immunity and mood. 8. Whole grains and legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, oats, and quinoa provide fiber that lowers cholesterol and improves digestion. The secret? A mostly plant-based diet with healthy fats and occasional protein, just like people in the world's longest living regions. Top supplements for longevity. Food should come first, but supplements can fill the gaps and give your body an extra boost. Here are the most science-supported longevity supplements. 1. NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide. Supports NAD+ production, a molecule that powers energy and slows down aging in your cells. 2. Resveratrol, found in red grapes and wine, activates longevity genes and supports heart and brain health. 3. Omega-3, fish oil, essential for reducing inflammation and protecting your heart, brain, and joints. 4. Vitamin D, 3 plus K2, crucial for bone health, immunity, and heart function, especially for people who don't get enough sunlight. 5. Magnesium helps over 300 body functions, from muscle repair to sleep quality and energy. 6. CoQ10 supports heart energy, reduces fatigue, and may slow down cellular aging. 7. Probiotics. Improves gut health, and studies show a healthy gut can extend lifespan by improving immunity and reducing inflammation. 8. Curcumin from turmeric. One of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds in nature, protects cells from oxidative stress and aging. But remember, supplements should complement, not replace, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Lifestyle habits for longevity. Food and supplements work best when combined with the right habits. Here's what science says about living longer. Move every day. Walk, stretch, or exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Sleep. Well, 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep restores your cells. Manage stress, meditation, prayer, or nature. Walks reduce cortisol, your aging hormone. Social connection, loneliness shortens life. Stay connected with friends and family. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. They accelerate aging faster than anything else. Consistency, not perfection, is the real secret to longevity. Conclusion. So here's the bottom line. Longevity isn't about magic pills or expensive treatments. It's about small daily choices, the right foods, smart supplements, and healthy habits. Eat real food, move your body, sleep well, and keep learning. And your body will thank you with years of energy and vitality. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-based health content, and share it with someone who wants to live longer and healthier. Thanks for watching, and here's to your long, happy, and healthy life.